Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a go to page view button in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option and you scroll down. Here you will find this Prepare From option. Select here. Now select Start, or you can add a scan file, create new and existing file, Start. And here you will find this OK button option. Download button. Now click right button for properties. As general option, you can change from field name, you can make it visible, invisible, read only, and appearance option. You can change border color, line thickness, font size, that's water. Also you can change text color. An option. I'll choose here, type here page view. Now select action and click on this arrow, and here you will find this go to a page view option. Select here. Now select add and see this. Use the scroll bars, mouse and zoom tools to select the target view. Then press set link to create the link destination. Now I will scroll. I'll show this page and see this. Now select and I will increase zoom and set link and close and preview. Now click here and see this. This page automatically showing here. Again go and select this page view option again and see this. Now I will again edit this page view option from double click and select this page view option and edit. I'll choose that page 4. Now select OK and close. Again select preview and select page view and see this page 4 already showing. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.